Hey guys, so today I have got the Witch Casket box for March to show you. So for anyone that hasn't seen me open this box, this is a UK box and it's £29 a month. They do post worldwide, it's all different prices. I'll put everything that I know down below in the description. But we are just going to open it and see what is in here. So this month, the little booklet is black and white, so I'm assuming that's what the theme is, and it's Moon Magic. So that is the theme, and this is just a little booklet that tells you about everything that's in there in more detail. I'm not going to go through that because I'm going to show you, but if you do get the box, that is a little information booklet. Then next we have our art print for the month. This one is really cute. It's a little moon and like stars and stuff, but it's got this kind of silver detailing to it that actually shines. So that is a super pretty little art print. Then we have our spell kit for the month. So this one is a Waning Moon Letting Go ritual kit. It says it contains everything you need to release that which no longer serves. So we are going to open this and see what is in here. Okay, so in here we've got a little pencil that hasn't been sharpened yet, but it's really cute though. It's got that same silver foil detailing on there. So that is a little mini pencil. And then we've got a white spell candle and some marjoram and lemon balm herbs. Hopefully I'm saying that kind of right. So that is everything that comes in the Letting Go spell kit, and I will hold this up just in case anyone wants to pause it and either read it or write it down. So that was the Waning Moon Letting Go ritual kit. Then next we have our tea for the month. So you always usually get two little tea bags. This one is Full Moon Witch's Brew. It says protective chrysanthemum and dandelion combine to make this enchanting and tasty witch's brew. Brew with intent and stir clockwise as you affirm, blessed full moon, I ask of thee, that flavour and fortune come to me. I release what's not meant to be and ground myself with this warming tea. So that is our chrysanthemum and dandelion little tea bags. Then we have our enamel pin. This time it's a little bar and it's got the moon phases on there in like a black and silver colour. It does have two pins so that it doesn't spin around if you're wearing it. I do like this colour theme, I've got to say. I'm liking the monochrome kind of look, so that's pretty cool. And then we get to our items that we kind of don't get every month. So every month you do get an art print, tea bags, a pin, a spell, all that stuff. And then these are the things that are different. So we've got this little pouch. It says witchcraft on it. It's like a little velvety drawstring. And in here we have a magic beechwood wand. So this is a little wooden beechwood wand with the moon phases kind of engraved at the end. So it says a magical tool used to channel and direct energy and cast protective circles. Lovingly crafted from beechwood, a sacred wood which symbolises feminine energy and wisdom. So that is very cool. I don't think we've ever had a wand in a witch casket before, so that's a new one. We have a little magic beechwood wand in this pouch as well, which is very pretty. Then next we have this little drawstring bag with a moon on there in silver. Again, it's like a velvety texture. And in here, I'm assuming this is a little bottle. Yep, so this is a moon water bottle, apparently. It is black, it's showing up a little blue on camera, but it is black and it has a moon there on the front with some little stars around it, and it's got a cork in the top. And the card for this says, harness lunar energy and add it to your magic. Use this enchanting bottle to create and store magical moon water. So very cute little bottle. I know my heart light is shining on it, but it is a moon that's on there on the front. Oh, and then we've got our crystal. I actually forgot about this. So you also get a crystal, a gemstone, something like that every month. This one is a rainbow moonstone. Definitely not a rainbow colour, but still super pretty though. It's kind of like a white and grey colour, and it's got a little moon design on there as well. So that's very cute. And for the rainbow moonstone, it says, Rainbow moonstone has a powerful feminine energy which aids spiritual healing, heightens psychic ability, and offers psychic protection. It also helps to deflect negative energy and promotes a feeling of well-being. So that is our little rainbow moonstone. Very cute. We also have some incense sticks. So these ones are full moon incense. It says a protecting and calming blend of cinnamon and lavender. I absolutely hate cinnamon, so these are not for me, but I know a lot of you will like those. And on the side it says, light the incense and affirm, full moon, lend me your energy, give my magic potency as I will it, so mote it be. So that is little affirmation thing on the side of those. And then we've got 2 items left before the scroll. So we've got some cards. I absolutely love the Witch Casket cards. It's my favorite thing to get. These are Moon Phase Affirmation Deck, and it says a powerful magical tool to help you to focus on the positive, an enchanting affirmation deck to encourage confidence and promote mindfulness. Pull a card whenever you feel in need of affirmation. So let's have a look at these cards. It's not a massive deck, it is only kind of like a couple, but they are all different moons and like little sayings on them. So I'll go through a few of them. This is what the back looks like. Super pretty. So we've got new moon. It says, I have the power to shape my own reality. First quarter, my intentions are powerful. Full moon, I am inspirational, look how far I've come. Third quarter, I can achieve balance. Waning crescent moon, I can rest when I need to. So it's basically just loads of different cards with affirmations and moon phases on them, which is really cool. So that is our deck. And then the last thing that we've got is, I think, a wall hanging, because I've seen one of my friends with this up on their wall. So I'm gonna unroll it out so we can see it. Oh, okay, so it's got a little ribbon thing, I'm going to assume, to like hang it up with, but it's got a piece of wood at the top, and then this is what the hanging looks like. Super pretty. I actually really like that. I think that's really cool. Like a little fabric hanging. You could also put your pins on here to hold them, like a pin flag if you wanted to. But yeah, that is our little wall hanging. And then finally we've got our little scroll. So I will open this and hold it up just in case anyone wants to see what it says, if you want to pause and read it. So this one is Full Moon Magic. It's very small. It says January is a wolf moon, February is a snow moon, March is a worm moon, April is a pink moon, May is a flower moon, June is a strawberry moon, July is book moon, August is a sturgeon moon, September harvest moon, October hunter's moon, November beaver moon, and December cold moon. So just in case anyone wants to pause and read or write it down, this is the scroll. And yeah, that was everything in March's Witch Casket box. So I'm going to grab it all and show you all at once. So we had the glass moon water bottle in a little velvety pouch. We had the wand in, again, the little witchcraft velvety pouch. The little rainbow moonstone. the spell kit, Waning Moon Letting Go ritual, the very pretty art print, the wall hanging, the 2 little full moon witch's brew tea bags, the moon phase enamel pin, the incense sticks, cinnamon and lavender, and the moon phase affirmation deck, along with the scroll as well. So all of these things in the March witch casket box. Definitely a full one this month, I would say. I actually really liked this one. I liked the colour scheme, I liked all the little moons on everything, I liked the wall hanging. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I will put all of the details for Witch Casket in the description in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.